Race nutrition strategies for long distance running and race walking include carbohydrate rich eating for 24 to 48 hours before race to restore glycogen in amounts sufficient for event fuel needs, and in some cases in-race consumption of carbohydrate and fluid to offset event losses. In this video, we will discuss a scientific paper titled Nutrition Strategies to Optimize Performance in Distance Runners and Race Walkers, published in International Journal of Sports Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism. This document has been endorsed by the World Athletics. Let's start by discussing with pre-race fueling for 24 to 48 hours before race. Pre-race fueling for 10,000 meter track race, cross country, half marathon and 20 kilometer race walk, glycogen normalization is recommended by consuming 7 to 12 gram per kg of body weight for 24 hours before race. For marathon and 50 kilometer race walk, carbohydrate loading is recommended with a low residue diet of 10 to 12 gram per kg of body weight for 36 to 48 hours before race. A low residue diet contains reduced fat, fiber and protein intake to avoid the risk of gastrointestinal distress. Some of the best low fiber diets include white rice, pasta, noodles, potato, white bread, pulp-free fruit juice, honey, chocolates, sports drinks, energy gels, etc. Protein-rich foods can be added to meals. Mashed and pureed vegetables and fruits are also recommended. Uncooked fruits and vegetables should be avoided, especially where they contain skin or pips. Cooked versions can be added in modest amounts to make up meals or menu items. These include pureed fruit and applesauce, mashed pureed vegetables with a preference for ketchup-style sauces, and canned mashed vegetables. Pre-race meal for 10,000 meter track race and cross country, 1 to 4 gram carbohydrate per kg of body weight is recommended for 1 to 4 hours before race. The pre-race meal should be low in fat, fiber and protein intake according to the risk of gut issues during the race. For a half marathon and marathon, 20 km and 50 km race walk, the study recommends another small amount of carbohydrate after warm-up in addition to 1 to 4 gram carbohydrate per kg of body weight 1 to 4 hours before race. In-race fueling is not required for 10,000 meter track race and cross country. For half marathon and 20 km race walk, 30 to 60 gram of carbohydrate from energy drinks, gels or confectionery is recommended. For marathon and 50 km race walk, 60 to 90 gram of carbohydrates from energy drinks, gels or confectionery is recommended. Caffeine supplementation is beneficial for endurance exercises because it helps in masking of perception of effort, fatigue and pain, and increases vigilance and alertness. However, it is important to keep in mind whether you are able to tolerate caffeine, and also it can cause dehydration in hot weather conditions. The study recommends 3 gram per kg of caffeine supplementation before race for 10,000 meter track race and cross country. And for longer events like half marathon, marathon, 20 km race walk and 50 km race walk, 3 to 6 gram per kg of body weight before and also during the race. Some sources of caffeine are coffee, cola drinks, energy drinks, sports foods, example, caffeinated gels or pharmaceutical products like caffeine tablets. Nitrate supplementation improves exercise economy by reducing the oxygen cost of submaximal exercise to improve endurance exercise performance. Caffeine supplementation also enhances skeletal muscle contractile function to improve muscle power and sprint exercise performance. The study recommends 8 millimole of nitrate taken 2 to 3 hours before race, especially with chronic intake for 3 days before race. Caffeine is usually taken in the form of beetroot juice concentrate. For more details, you can read the document on the subject which is available on the World Athletics website, for which link is given in the description. Thanks for watching.